Every OnePlus Nord 5 user and buyers are only worried about one big issue, that is greenline issue. We all know OnePlus had very bad experience regarding greenline issues in the past. We all have seen it majorly with OnePlus 8, 9, 10 series. Personally, I had OnePlus Nord 1 before this and it had pink and green tint issues. Now that the OnePlus is giving lifetime display warranty, terms and conditions apply. So the question is, does the OnePlus Nord 5 also has the greenline issue? So let's dive in. So in this video, we are going to cover these 5 topics. Why greenline issue is caused, is Nord 5 vulnerable for greenline issue, and what is lifetime display warranty, what to do if you get a greenline issue, and lastly, should you buy OnePlus Nord 5 keeping all this in your mind in case if you haven't bought it. So let's get started. Reason behind greenline issues in the past was because of the initial generations of AMOLED screens were not fully stable, and OnePlus being one of the initial companies to use the latest screen technologies on the smartphone caused this mess. The major factors that can cause greenline issues are high temperatures, poor sealing, and aging of the display. Now that we live in 2025 with the latest technology advancements in AMOLED screens and OnePlus trying to regain the brand reputation, they have come up with PVX enhanced edged bonding, which provides extra layer of protection to the edges of the AMOLED screens. That's basically edge sealing, material to reduce the moisture or oxygen ingress around the display edges. This is to improve durability and slow down the degradation that causes greenline issues. So this is the reason that they came up confidently with a lifetime display warranty over greenline issues. And mind you that this display warranty is only on greenline issues, not on display issues like fall damage, scratches or screen damage, etc. Also, it is just for greenline issues caused purely by environmental factors, not by fall damage or any other human interventions. And also this warranty is only valid until they have the display spare parts left for OnePlus Nord 5, which can't be lifetime. No one knows if the company would exist after 10 years. It can't be forever. So in broad perspective, you should be able to get the screen replaced for free until next 2 years, that is till 2027. So to avoid this issue, better turn off rapid charging, which increases the phone's temperature, and make sure that the device temperature is kept below 45 degrees Celsius most of the times. So what to do if you get the greenline issue? Just visit the official OnePlus service center and give the smartphone, and they would replace the display and give it to you for free. Depending on the screen availability in that store, they might take few hours to few days to replace and give it back to you. I have been to OnePlus service center many times and the experience was so good. And that's why I don't worry about greenline issues. If the greenline issue comes due to genuine reasons and not because of fall damages, I believe OnePlus would replace the display without any questions. And I am telling this with my personal experience of getting my display replaced for my OG OnePlus Nord 1 for free, which was under warranty. And if you have not yet bought the phone and thinking should you buy this smartphone, with the advancements in AMOLED displays and OnePlus display warranty, you can go ahead and buy this smartphone as any other smartphone without thinking about greenline issue. Still, in case if we get this issue, this channel is there to support you and get your display replaced. So join our OnePlus Nord 5 Telegram discussion group to discuss about this issue. Also, like this video and subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified when a video on OnePlus Nord 5 is out on our channel. Also, share this video with your OnePlus friends and family, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.